to the proposed?
Don't put review, consider providing, because we know, right, already we have that location and we see there's no FNG. Consider providing toxic gas detection for
Okay.
toxic gas detection for analyzer skids. Yeah.
Coverage to proposed. Okay, I think okay, fine. And then you have said the layout. Review the safe distance, right? Review the safe distance.
Review the safety distance criteria between the proposed analyzer package and the existing equipment.
And Rakesh, and
Existing equipment between the proposed analyzer and the existing pig launcher receiver. PLPR, put PLPR, okay. And pig receiver. PL/PR.
okay, fantastic.
Yeah.
And one point was raised by our friend Abdul Qadir regarding the type review.
Which one?
Regarding he was saying no return piping after the PR, it is going to the upstream of the PR system, so which will have the wrong reading.
No,
So
no,
we need to review.
see that location, everything will be covered under HAZID. We will not take it under HAZID.
Okay. Okay, fine, no problem.
Okay.
And
One more
point was
point,
raised by
mainly the
Ashish.
pressure reduction. Actually,
Yeah,
the pressure reduction is the critical point.
yeah. And regarding Ashish point, he was saying that we do not know what type of system we are going to have, either detachable or not. So you want to say something here? Review the type of S2S analyzer or something, or this will be part of HAZOP.
No, we can say, I don't know, but HAZID shall be conducted considering the final selected, you know, the
Okay, I remove
analyzer
from here.
skills.
Yeah, HAZOP service which is HAZOP shall be revisited.
Not revisited, okay. HAZID shall be performed. HAZID shall be performed.
Considering final
Once
package.
the final schematic is finalized.
Final
Conducted.
P and ID. Final P and ID and final P and IDs.
No, see, P and ID
proposal.
chairman. See, P and IDs, they will show it only box, okay.
And
Okay,
analyzer type, basically. Analyzer type.
Analyzer type. Considering final analyzer type from the selected vendor.
Type.
Yeah. Analyzer
Type,
type, yeah.
Okay, analyzer type. Okay. And one
Just-
point again.
Just, Chairman, one point I want to add